Today we are going to learn about comment tag in PHP. First, we need to start the Apache server from XAMPP. Second, we need to open the browser and open our local host file to view the output. Let's write the program for comment tag. Basically, there are two types of comment tag: single-line comment and multiple-line comment. We are writing single-line comment. You can write the single-line comment by writing the double slash in the first. Multiple-line comment is started with /* and then */. If you will write the text in PHP without defining a comment, then you will get an error. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.